To register an Oyster card online, follow these steps. Visit the TfL website. Go to the Transport for London website, specifically the Oyster card section. Create an online account. If you don't have an online account with TfL, create one by providing necessary details such as your name, email, and password. Access Oyster card services. Log into your TfL account and access the Oyster card services section. Register your Oyster card. Follow the prompts to register your Oyster card. Enter the unique card number found on the back of the card. Provide personal details. Input personal information, including your name, address, and contact details as required for registration. Agree to terms and conditions. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of Oyster card registration. Confirmation and activation. Once registered, your Oyster card is activated for online management. You can check your card balance, view journey history, and protect against loss or theft. Receive confirmation. You may receive a confirmation email or message regarding the successful registration of your Oyster card.